is Val. This is how you do it. We are at the Bass Pro Master in Prattville, Alabama. Let me bag up. And we're coming in. I just wanted to show y'all this. Thank you.
Y'all get the Bass Pro Master card today. You get 10% off when you purchase, or $15 if it's under 100. And if it's on sale, you get 10% additional. Y'all just riding or going somewhere?
They're riding.
Okay, y'all. We're gonna go in.
Oh, you do. You really.
Now you told me you didn't even see the snake.
I said snake hide.
Okay.
You still around? I'm looking for a live snake.
Oh, is that what you were looking for?
That ain't what you talking about.
You want to walk up the stairs or you want to take the elevator? We're taking the elevator, y'all.
Have the bottom so we'll be no garfish. Garfish in the bottom, but they don't. Yeah.
Is that real down there?
You all done? You don't want to look at my house?
I do.
We riled them all up for you.
Thanks.
No, you're big enough. You want to hear how much bigger this tank is? You must have done it.
Yeah, I think they're getting too big for the tank. They have to do something with them.
So hell, he was like from this corner to this rock right here. He always stayed on the bottom.
So that's not an alligator guard? That's showing in, babe. That ain't no guard right there.
What? Okay, here's a guard on there. But that ain't the big one.
That's a catfish. Look at that. Big old catfish.
Smaller one. I like this guy too.
So what y'all think about the Pro Bassmaster? Got all this good looking stuff in it. Let's see if we can get a good close up there. No.
Yeah, that's a very big guard now.
They do feel good, that cool water coming off of there, doesn't it? Alligator.
I feel they look at the blue.
Okay. Willie said this is a beaver right here. The difference in the tail.
It's a little beaver. See your tail?
And then let me come on your side. Y'all, I'm trying. Yeah, I see it. See that tail, y'all? That's what we're talking about. See, that other thing didn't have a tail like that.
I think a muskrat.
Okay. I sure want to know the difference. They look alike in the face.
Them beavers, they all muskrat.
Yep. Y'all, we sitting down on one of these little benches they got on the second floor and just chilling out, y'all. Just hanging out. They have a restaurant downstairs right there called the Fishing Club. Let me back up. The Fishing Club. That's a restaurant.
Fishing Company.
They say Covenant. I can't see the other word.
Company. Fish Company.
Fish Company.
Fish Company restaurant.
Oh, it's over there. Wait, what's that right there? That's an entrance. That's the Fishing Center. Okay. Let me.
But the Fish Company restaurant is the main restaurant.
The Fish Company restaurant, y'all, is over there behind that. Let me see. Company right there. It's over there. Right there. Yeah, that's it. That's the restaurant. I'm going to take you downstairs in a little while and let y'all get a closer look at it.
All the what?
All them bears up there on that hill. Look at them. Oh, my goodness. They got a lot of them, too.
You know, the wild ducks up there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And the ceiling, yeah.
They flying.
Yeah, they're hanging.
They flying.
They flying, okay.
Look at that mountain line.
Yeah.
Coming down the mountain like that. You know them bears?
Yeah, I see him. I got him in shot now.
There's another one over there. The deer run away from me.
They up in the ceiling right here.
Yeah, I know.
Some goblins.
Yeah, he's a damn top. Hang about his tail there. See him fish?
Yeah, I see them.
Below the water. Trying to figure what the hell that is right there. Kind of bird or duck water.
And we sitting on a bench. And there you go. Trying to look at me. We are still at the Bassmasters and Willie is trying on shoes. Look at him. He's got this one on right here that stop at the ankles, and then Alex have one that look like a boot, and he gonna see which one he likes the best. So he gonna walk around in both of them mismatched, but it's gonna fit. A big one in the Granville. Still at the Bassmasters, y'all. I want one of those in the Granville with a deck built around it. But this is variable, this is how you do it, and still at the Bassmasters. We part of the family too. And it's stuffed and mounted that pole gun. Still here, y'all. It's a big place. That's why this video is so long. It's so big. We're downstairs now. And then they got a fitting room for the men's, which is right there. I had told Willie, let's go ride our bike and look at that rattler, but it was always a plan for a Father's Day gift, you know. We got them shoes he had on, the low top. This is what the fitting room looked like on the inside. Huh? Take y'all over here to see this restaurant, but just because I said I would, and I'm going over here to show y'all what it looked like. That's the name of the place right there. And then let me bag up so you can see what's going on right here. Look at that. They got rotisserie chicken going on right there. Yeah, that is chicken. And then NASCAR and stuff and decoration. Now let me take you on the inside. See that? Look at the fish. That's going into the restaurant. And we're not going in. We just came from Waffle House and ate a whole lot of food. I just wanted to show you that what Willow Father's Day breakfast was at the Waffle House. Huh? Yeah, I showed it to him. And then there is this special for today, right here. See? This, if y'all want to visit the local Bassmasters in your area. Fishing poles galore. So many of them. Okay. And this is Val with the Bones Riders, but this is how you do it. And we'll spoke to you later. Bye-bye. Yeah. I'm back, y'all. We got some good footage. This is the outside. Back in the sun again. Look at that old truck. And this is the outdoor. Look at father and son. Don't they look good together? And this is the side of the place. Y'all, I'm just showing y'all what our day is gonna be like. Just like a vlog, I guess. Now this is what Willie like. Willie like those racks, y'all. Look at them racks on the wall. Look at that. You like the meat. Look at all that up there. They decorated with that. That's something nice there. See all the racks? They had to kill a lot of deer to do that. Just to decorate moose, deer, and everything. They had to really slaughter some animals. Yeah, they kind of messed up something right there. But that's me again. Look at that rock. That's so enough pretty. I wouldn't mind having one of that in the yard.
I'm trying to stay out the camera.
Oh, okay. You okay? Thank you. I don't think I get you. I got you. So, y'all. Well, we going to the bikes, y'all. And these are our bikes. Alex has his bike too. He's one of a Bones rider. Now, this time, I'm gonna cut it off for real, y'all. Here we are.
Damn, they got metros.
Look at that.
Bike.
Thank you.
Get away from the bike. Wait a minute.
Alex looking at these these over here, these new finger things. Old finger things. Oh my goodness. Fangle.
This guy's crazy. What's that? I know a lot of Harley riders.
Y'all look at that. Ain't nobody close to my bike. But we finna go.